gonna build a greenhouse out of these logs right here. Let's get to it. So I'm thinking we're gonna dig down probably about 1.5 feet. Oh, we're hitting rock already. Two feet. This process is called char or charring. What you're trying to do is get it so it's charred like this to protect it from water getting in. Beautiful. Holy cow. All right. Okay, so we're not too bad. There. That's a big one. It's just too big. Do you guys think 2 feet is deep enough for frost? Just curious, what do you think? I'm thinking so, but I could be wrong. Down in the comments, let me know what you think. Ooh. Oh, lay. Ooh. Oh yeah, dead on. Unbelievable. Boy, we're getting good at this. That'll take up a lot of that space, right? Not bad, but we gotta make sure we get dirt all around that rock. We wanna kind of counter it. Oh yeah. One more pole in. Now, let's just beat the heck out of this. Get it down there, pack it nice and tight. Oh yeah, see? Just keep packing it. All right. Oh yeah, we're done. Okay, good morning. It is Tuesday. So we put these posts in on Sunday and now today is Tuesday. A couple days I got tied up with a couple of things. But the goal is today, I want to get these posts set up here and then start running the roof, we'll call them trusses or rafters, whatever you want to call them. The key is I want this fairly level and we're going to go from 8 feet on these ones down to 6 feet on the back ones. So this is going to slope like this. And also the door is going to be on this side. So that's the plan for today, guys. Let's get into it. Okay, 8 feet right here. This saw here, it's an old Johnson Red. I've had it for 25 years. So this end is basically 5 inches. So it's going to be 8'5" to the top. Now let's go over here and measure this. So that's going to be 8'7". So we're going to have to go 2 inches less. This side will have to be 2 inches less, 8 feet. And the beam should be level. This is really crucial, but you know, we're just trying to make it look relatively good. So let's take this and put it up and then mark it. Ugh, this level is heavy. All right. Right there. So now we have to go, so that was 5'7", so we have to go 2 inches down. Nicer. Hey, that's actually going to fit pretty good. Just the way it is. Not bad, eh? What we'll do is we'll drill through this, pin it. It's not going anywhere. So what I did is I traced it here. I just connected the lines, and now we're gonna kind of groove that. Let's see, I don't think I can reach. Oh, so close. So close. Now, let's get this up here. Oh man, what the heck? I'm pinching myself here. Okay. Now, let's see if we can get this one in place. Oh yeah, that's nice. So now we have to pin these. So come on over, I'll show you what we're gonna do. What we have is 10M rebar, 3/8 or 10M. We're gonna measure the log and how far down we want. We're gonna drill it with this bit and we're gonna pin them in with this. Think it's gonna work? So there's 6, yeah, so 10 inches. Let's get drilling. So something we want to do, so we're pretty much center right there. Yeah, now, just gonna use this as a guide because we want to be plumb. Nice. Yep, 10 inches. Put our safety glasses on, and we're gonna cut this. Got our 2 stakes. Let's go see if this works. Kind of hoping that was gonna be a little tighter. All right, see what happens. Perfect. Oh yeah, it's going nowhere. Just out of curiosity, how level are we? Unbelievable. So you can see there's a little gap here, a little gap there. If this hump was gone, so it's bang on. Excellent. Oh, I completely forgot to do something. Did you guys remember what I forgot to do? Oh no, I just pinned it too. Major mistake, guys. I forgot. So I forgot to measure this, the post. So I forgot to measure that post, the thicknesses like I did in the front so it was level. But that's okay, because I can take the other tool and like it's really not that bad. It's actually kind of crazy. That's a little bit. Anyway, we'll fix that. Good thing it's not really all that bad. I think we'll do that right now. I think we got it. I think we're gonna call that good. Not even gonna check. So what we're gonna have to do now is take the chainsaw and kind of cut all these knots off. Take these knots off, maybe do a little bit of grinding with that other machine, and then we're gonna lay the posts up here. And then I'm probably gonna have to get a fascia. So when I take the plastic and we fold it over, it has we have a flat surface to pull it. That's what I'm thinking. Same thing with the back. Got it. I think so. Okay guys, give it an eyeball. What do you think? Looking good up there? It looks fantastic. I think the plan is coming together. This is what makes it fun too, right? For me, figuring things out as you go. You know, have a bit of a plan, have a bit of an idea. But, you know, just be outside in the sun. Hear that? Peace and quiet. Except for that stupid chainsaw, but no, I'm gonna hear about this. I know I should be peeling the logs. But we'll see. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you peel the logs? Let's throw a couple of these up and just have a look. Okay. I'm curious. You guys curious? No way. Okay. Come here. Have a look at that. I didn't think it was plumb, or I didn't think it was level. What do you think of that, guys? I mean, it's pretty darn good. So you're probably asking yourself, why did I leave this? Oh man, this is gonna get cut off straight and we're gonna take all the sharp edges off. So it's gonna come up, we're gonna come right up here, cut them all off once we figure out the roof and stuff. Because the plastic is gonna come over the roof and hang down. But we got a little extra to do yet first. But that's pretty awesome. Ugh. Now, okay, here's one. Of course, they're all the wrong way, you know. There we go. this one's short. Or not. Big stretch. Oh, you're such a good doggy, aren't you? Just kicking around. Oh, you're sore. You're sore. Well, that's going to be about it for today, guys. Little Miss Sophie has to head into the vet. She's got a bit of a sore hind leg here. So we're going to go get that checked out, don't we, Dilly? Huh? Silly Dilly. Logs are not easy. Oh, goodness gracious. You can't chase sticks. Well, guys, it's coming along fantastic. Way better than I thought. And the rest should be easy. Just drape it over. Any ideas? I'm all ears. Please put them down in the comments, because this is the first one I've ever built. And this has given me a really, really good idea for another project. So that's going to be crucial over by the cabin. Okay, guys, let's have a quick look. One last quick look. It's going to be a nice, you know, until you see it with the roof and all that stuff on it, it didn't look very big, but now it's looking bigger. I think that little guy there has to go to the end. So we have big, too little. So I think actually that one's got to go there. That one's got to stay there. So we got to flip that one and that one. Those two have to be flipped. And then we kind of have, it'll be all kind of going like this, which is good. So we'll have slope this way, and then we'll have a little bit of slope this way. And you know what we can do with this? We can put an eaves trough up here with a catch basin for water. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week for part 2. And if you like this video, check these two out.